మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? నాకు ఈ సినిమా ఈ టైటిల్ విన్నప్పటి నుంచే నాకు ఒక క్యూరియాసిటీ. దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ టైటిల్. ఇది అన్ని పోస్టర్స్ త్రూ అవుట్ మన ఫిల్మ్ ఆకాశంలో ఒక తార టైంలో పవన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ షేర్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అబౌట్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్. Tarun I've worked with. Actually, ఈ సినిమాలో any I think cast crew are all like my close friends in Telugu or people I've worked with or my colleagues. I think it will be a very special film. This doesn't feel like a small film. Everyone keeps saying it's a small film. I don't know, Pawan, you keep saying it's a small film. Dil Raju garu is also saying it's a small film. But I'm watching the trailer, it just kept growing. It's with every visual, it kept growing, and I think it will be one of the biggest, I think, summer blockbusters. It has that feeling. I think the subject kuda, I think mana andariki we can relate to. I think because so many people are trying to go to America or other countries, and we all understand this whole visa process. Now kuda, I think college time there was stress admission, after getting my admission to get my visa. So I think any audience, I think, will connect to the film. It sounds like great fun. Kashyap sir, you've both acted and directed. All of you multitaskers who do these things, I'm very fascinated with. So, but best of luck to everybody on the team. Pawan, we've been traveling together for Akasham now. He's been patiently waiting for my dates. I've taken a lot of time to start the film. It's a very special film to me. But again, he's also a multitasker. Along with directing Akasham, he's produced this film along with his co-producers. So more power to all of you. And this is a great time for, I think, films of any genre, any size. And I think the audience is always accepting. And as always, I think the Telugu audience is always ready for great content. So Mirandru, for sure, I think theatre will enjoy the film. So all the best to team Gayapatti Simham.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ దుల్కర్ గారు. ఏదైనా ఒక క్విక్ అప్డేట్ ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా ఆకాశంలో ఒక తార గురించి?
Pawan, any update you want to give? We're almost done. I mean, I think we have maybe a week shoot left to finish the film. We're very close. But I think it'll be worth the wait. Now, I think every time ఒక డైరెక్ట్ తెలుగు సినిమాలో when I'm acting, అది నాకు చాలా స్పెషల్. ఐ థింక్ ఈవెన్ ఫర్ ది ఆడియన్స్ ఇస్ స్పెషల్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏ సినిమా ఐ థింక్ స్క్రిప్ట్ విన్నప్పటి నుంచి అంత ప్రెషర్ ఉంది నాకు టు డెలివర్ టు గివ్ ఫిల్మ్ దట్ విల్ నాట్ బికమ్ అ క్లాసిక్ బట్ విల్ సర్వైవ్ లాస్ట్ టైమ్. సో ఐ థింక్ ఏఓటి కూడా ఆ టైప్లో ఒక సినిమా ఫర్ షూర్. JD sir, I'm such a huge fan. I don't know how many times I've watched Satya. I'm like, for me, just I think last week we met, we got to spend some time together in Bombay. Apukoda, I was like, I'm looking at him like a fan. So this is very special to me.
I want to say something. At the stage lo nenu AOT gurinchi enduku cheppalante